Hello students, welcome to Future Doctor NEET Academy. Today, problem solving session for chemistry. Today I am going to solve 7 sums in states of matter. This is also a very important chapter. You will be getting at least 1 or 2 questions in NEET examinations. So here we have formula is there. If you know the formula, you can easily solve the sums. Can you go to the first question? A vessel of 120 ml capacity contains a certain mass of gas at 20 degrees Celsius and 750 millimeter pressure. The gas was transferred to a vessel whose volume is 180 ml. The pressure of the gas is at 20 degrees Celsius dash. That's the question. Okay. So here overall variable quantity. See here, this is called volume. You know that here your volume. Okay. Certain mass of gas at 20 degrees Celsius. Here, this is called, the pressure term. Okay. So we consider this is called V1. We consider this is called, pressure 1. No? So P1. Okay. The gas was transferred to a vessel whose volume is 180 ml. So this is we considered as, it's called volume, no? V2. The pressure of the gas at 20 degrees Celsius. This is called, we consider as P2. Okay. So here, pressure and volume relation. So we can say it's called, the statement is nothing but Boyle's law. According to Boyle's law, pressure and volume are inversely proportional. You know that. Okay. So in that Boyle's law, you know that you studied PV is equal to constant, isn't it? In Boyle's law, PV is equal to constant. Here we have two variables. So then only we can write P1. Okay, P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. Understood? Okay, understood. They are asking to find out only the P2 value, another pressure. Okay, so here just substitute simple one. Here this is nothing but V1 is, or first we can put what? P1 is what? 750. Understood? 750 into, then V1 is what? 120. Understood? Which is equal to P2 is P2. That only we are going to find out. Understood? That is, P2 volume. What? 180. Understood? Into 180. Understood? Simply, how to simplify means here, cancel this one, this 0 get cancel. Understood? Okay. Then, therefore, P2 is equal to what? P2 is equal to, 750 into 12 into, 12 divided by, 180. Understood? Okay. So, 0 already cancelled, so only 18. Understood? Okay, now, that this is cancel. This is 2 times, this is, 3 times. Understood? You just multiply this 750 to 1500. 1500 by 3 means, automatically, the answer 500. Okay. That is following. 750 into 2, 1500. 1500 by 3 means we have what? 500. Understood? You just remember the formula. If you know this formula, you can use to solve the sums. P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. These two are variables. So among the 4, one is unknown. That only we are finding. Understood? Are you following? Okay. This sums based on Boyle's law. Understood? Okay. Now see the next one. At what temperature centigrade will the volume of a gas at 0 degrees Celsius double itself, the pressure remaining constant? Okay. Here overall given means here temperature and volume. Okay. So the temperature and volume means, you just remember it is based on Charles' law. Charles' law means here, you just remember V by T is constant. Okay, V by T is constant. Is equal to constant. Understood? Last time I told you this is called PV is equal to constant. Here volume and temperature means, so this statement V by T is constant. So we can, if you have 2 or 3 variable means, we can write outright V1 by T1, which is equal to V2 by T2. Understood? Okay. Now see the question. At what temperature centigrade will the volume of a gas at 0 degree be double itself? Okay. Suppose then only we consider, V1 is, we consider V. Okay. Understood? Then when the V1 is V means the temperature is what? Temperature we consider as what? Temperature 0 degrees Celsius. 0 degrees Celsius means I consider 273 Kelvin. Understood? Are you following? The volume is V1 is V means temperature is 273 Kelvin. Understood? Therefore, V2, V2, they are saying what? Double no. Okay. It should be double means I consider it is a 2V. Are you following? Understood? They are asking to find out at what temperature. At what temperature means here V2 only we have to find out. T2 only we have to find out. Understood? T2 is equal to question mark. You following? Understood? Okay. Just substitute. Okay. Here V1, just put V only by T1 is what? 273, which is equal to V2 is what? 2V by T2 is unknown quantity. Understood? This only we have to find out. So here cancel, no? Cancel. This also we can cancel. We have therefore cross multiplication. So T2 is equal to what? 273 into 2. Understood? Okay. Therefore what? T2 is equal to, okay, just multiply. Okay, 273 into 2 means 5, 546 Kelvin. Understood? Okay. But see the question, it is given in Celsius. Understood? So if you want to convert into Celsius, Celsius means again you subtract 546 minus 273, you will be getting what? The same answer, this answer. Understood? So the Kelvin is given means this answer. Okay, but see the answer, it is given in Celsius. So 546 minus 273, you will be getting 273. Are you following? Okay. So this sum based on Charles law. Understood? Because volume and temperature means Charles law. Pressure and volume means it's called Boyle's law. Understood? Okay. Now see the next one. Are you following? Okay. Just remember the formula. This is the formula. Is keeping. Okay. Just memorize the formula. Okay. Now see the next one. Third question. Okay. The temperature at which 28 gram of nitrogen will occupy a volume of 10 liter at 2.46 atmosphere. Okay, this is a question. Okay, so here volume is given. Okay, pressure in atmosphere means pressure is given. Okay, they are asking to find only the temperature. So here this is we studied ideal gas equation formula. PV is equal to nRT. So if you apply this one, we can able to solve this sum. Understood? Here PV, we know that PV is equal to nRT. Understood? Okay. So here they are asking to find only T. No. Okay. The temperature at which temperature we have to find out. So that T is equal to what? Therefore, T is equal to PV by NR. Understood? So now you substitute. It's a simple sum, direct sum. Pressure 2.46 into volume is what? 10. Okay. By N is called number of moles. Number of moles means here gram is given. What's the formula for number of moles? Number of moles is equal to mass by molar mass. Okay. Mass by molar mass. Mass is what? 28 gram. Okay. Mass is what? 28 gram by molar mass means molar mass of N2. N2 is that also what? 1 nitrogen, 14, 2 nitrogen, we have 28. So what? 28. Number of moles is 1. So we can put what? In this place, we put what? 1. Number of moles is 1 into R is called gas constant. So here pressure and all is coming. We have 3 values of R. Okay, 8.314. Okay, joule per mole per Kelvin. Or sometimes R is equal to 0.082. Okay, atmosphere. Or sometimes it is in calorie. 2 calories or 1.99 calories. Okay, but in this case pressure and all is coming means we can use what? R nothing but 0.082. Okay, 0.082. Just remember R is a gas constant. Okay, so if we simplify means just multiply. What will be? What it will be? It will be 24.6 by, are you following? Okay. Then you just write as it is 0.082. Okay. Okay. Approximately it will be 3 times. Understood? Here, suppose, or if you multiply once again by, this is outright, or you multiply by both the side by 100, what happens? Both the side by 100 means what happens? Here, 24, I'll write it here, 2460. This also multiply by 100 means what? 8.2. Okay, understood? 8.2. Again, you multiply by, again, 10. What happens? 24600 by, 82. Okay, this is approximately, this will be approximately what? I'm saying approximately, 3 times. Okay, nearly, or nearly 300. Your answer is what? Nearly 300 is what? Only 299.6. Okay, understood. This answer. Okay, students, see the third question. The formula is PV is equal to nRT. That's a formula. Okay. So the unknown quantity is what? Temperature only we have to find out. So therefore, we rearrange the formula. T is equal to PV by nR. Pressure is given 2.46 into volume is given 10 ml by, number of moles nothing but I told you, number of moles nothing but mass by molar mass, 28 by 28. Here, number of moles is 1. Then R is 0.082. If you substitute all this, okay, so at last, the answer will be nearly 300. Okay, so then only here among the 4 option, which option is nearly 300 means 299.6. So this answer. Understood? Okay. The following. So remember the formula. What's the formula? This is a formula. Understood? PV is equal to nRT. This is a formula. Okay. Now see the next one. Here 200 ml of hydrogen, then 250 ml of nitrogen, each measured at 15 degrees Celsius and 760 millimeter pressure are put together in a 500 ml flask. The final pressure of the mixture at 50 degrees Celsius is dash. That's the question. Okay. So we have 2 gases. We have the volume is different ml. One is 200 ml, another is 250 ml. We put together in which ml? Which flask? The flask capacity is what? 500 ml. Okay. The 2 different gases you put together in 500 ml flask. So what will be the final pressure they're asking? That's a question. Okay. So first of all, we should find out the pressure produced by hydrogen and pressure produced by nitrogen. We have to find out separately, then add together, then only we are getting the final pressure. Okay. So here, so as usual, volume is given, then pressure is given. So volume and pressure means, what's the formula we can apply? The statement is what? Boyle's law. Okay. So here for then first of all for hydrogen, as usual, formula P1 V1 which is equal to P2 V2. Understood? For hydrogen we are going to find out. See, for hydrogen, volume is what? 200 ml. Understood? 200 ml. Okay, its pressure is common for both. The 760 pressure is common for both nitrogen as well as hydrogen. Okay, 760 millimeter of mercury, which is equal to, if you put together, our aim is to find out the new pressure. New pressure only is unknown quantity. Okay, into, these gases are put together in new flask. The new flask volume is what? 500. Okay, put 500. Okay. So if we simplify, we're getting the pressure for hydrogen. No. So how to simplify? Just cancel this one. This one 20. I'm going to cancel here also 20. Understood? Then therefore P2 is equal to what? P2 is equal to 760 into 2 by 5. Understood? So it will be approximately, just multiply. If you multiply means how much we get. Suppose here this is, I put this is 1 time. I use 5 tables. This is 1 time. Okay. This one how many times? 1, 3 nearly, I check it here. 760, no? Okay. Then 5, okay. Here, 1 time. Here, again, 2, 6, here, 5, okay. 25, okay. Again, remaining 1, 0, 1, 152. Understood? 152. 152 into 2 means what? We get nearly 304. Are you following? 304. This is the pressure produced by only hydrogen. Okay. Likewise, we have to find out. Next one is, nitrogen. Next one is nitrogen. This is the same formula, P1, V1, which is equal to P2, V2. Understood? Okay. Then, as usual, here what? The ml only different. Nitrogen is what? Ml is what? Volume is what? Volume, 250 into pressure is what? As usual, same pressure, 760. This is unknown quantity P2. We put it in new flask, no? That flask volume is what? 500. Understood? Okay. That's all. Then cancel. As usual, I told you, 20 cancel. Okay. Then, therefore what? Therefore P2 is equal to, 760 or not 760, 76 into 25 by 5. Understood? Okay. Now cancel 1 time. Okay. This also, 5 times. Okay. Just multiply 760 into 5 means we get what? Nearly 80. Understood? Nearly, that 380. Understood? They are asking to find only the final pressure of the mixture. Final pressure means you just add these two. Okay. So final pressure means here both hydrogen and nitrogen together producing how much pressure. So you have to add all this. Okay. That is, that the formula, method is called, Dalton's law of partial pressure. Add all the partial pressure, we get the total pressure. That's called, Dalton's law of partial pressure. So you just add, the formula I told you, that is, total pressure is equal to what? Partial pressure of all this, partial pressure of hydrogen plus partial pressure of nitrogen. Understood? So if you add this, you just, I think you understood everything. These two, if you add means we get what? 684. See this answer. Are you following? Both nitrogen and hydrogen producing how much pressure? That's the question. Understood? Okay. So I put separately. Then if you add means we can get answer is what? Nearly 684. Are you following? Next one. So this is based on Dalton's law of partial pressure. Understood? So total pressure is equal to sum of all the partial pressure is called total pressure. So that's called Dalton's law of partial pressure. Understood? See the next one here. This is based on Gregham's law of diffusion. This is another statement. Okay. So each and every statement I prepared one problem. Understood? It will be very useful to you. Equal volume of two gases A and B diffuse through a porous spot in 20 and 10 seconds respectively. If the molar mass of A is 80, the molar mass of B is, we have to find out. Okay. So what's Gregham's law of diffusion means? It's a formula. That is, what's the formula means? Rate of diffusion of A by rate of diffusion of B is equal to square root of molar mass of B by molar mass of A. That's the formula. Why they are all opposite means, the molecular size is increasing means the rate of movement will be decreases. Are you following? Okay. The molecules are very, very big means it cannot able to move very fast. Okay. So molecular size increases, rate of diffusion will be decreases. Okay. Then only inversely proportional. Understand? Are you following? Okay. Now see the sum. Equal volume of two gases A and B diffuse through a porous spot in. Here 10 seconds is given. Okay. 20 seconds and 10 seconds. A is 20 seconds. B is what? 10 seconds is given. Understood? Okay. The same formula I am writing in different way because here rate of diffusion we have one formula, that is nothing but volume by time. Okay. Understood? Suppose here then only the rate and time are inversely proportional. Then only the same formula I am writing in another way. Okay, the fifth question, equal volume of two gases A and B diffuse through a porous pot in 20 and 10 seconds respectively. If the molar mass of A is 80 means what will be the molar mass of B? That's the question. Okay, so here this is based on Gregor's law of diffusion. The formula is this, formula. Rate of diffusion is inversely proportional to molecular mass. The molecular mass is very big means the movement will be somewhat slowly going on. Okay, so this is a formula. Then rate of diffusion means another formula will be the volume by time. Okay, volume by time. Then only volume by time. Okay, see, now the same formula I'm going to write in different way. So rate of diffusion and molecular mass are inversely proportional, but the time here, the same formula I write in different way. Time of A, suppose here time of B means, if we consider, suppose the formula, time of B by time of A. Okay, A, root of molecular mass of B by molecular mass of A. Understood? But these two are directly proportional. Okay, so rate of diffusion and molecular mass are inversely proportional, but the time is given means time and the molecular mass will be directly proportional. Okay, just remember this one. So you can just apply, you can get the answer. Okay, then see B. B is what? This is B, no? Okay, B is what? 10. Okay, time of B is called 10 by A is what? 20. Okay, then root of molecular mass of A only is given, no? Molecular mass of B, so B we don't know, you put X. Okay, then A is what? 80. Understood? That's all. Okay, then how to find X value? Just cancel this one. Okay, cancel this one. We have 1 by 2 is equal to square on both sides. Okay, or we can say, so here 1 by 2, here we can write as it is, isn't it? Okay, equal to square root of X by 80. Understood? The square on both sides means it will be what? A square on both sides means the square root will be removed. Understood? Now, so what? Here, square on both sides means what? What happens? Here it will be what? It will be 1 by 4, which is equal to X by 80. Understood? So the cross multiplication. Understood? 4x is equal to 80. Therefore, x is equal to what? 80 by 4. We got what? 20. So 20 is answer. Are you following? Okay. So these are two formulas. Just keep in mind. Okay. Sometimes rate of diffusion is given means no problem, but time is given means okay. This is a formula. So we have two formula. Just two formula. Just keep in mind. These two formulas. Just keep in mind. So the next one, the temperature at which average velocity of oxygen molecule is equal to the root mean square velocity at 27 degrees Celsius. Okay. So here is equal now. We have to equate average velocity and root mean square velocity. Okay. Average velocity means average velocity means that 8 RT by pi m. This is called root of. Okay, that equate. Root mean square velocity means 3 RT by m. 3 RT by m. It's a formula. Just keep in mind. Okay, understood. Then we can cancel square root. Okay, then we can cancel what? This will be outright this one. Okay, just imagine yourself. RR get cancel. Mr. RR get cancel. Here m is also get cancel. Okay, square root also cancel. Who is remaining? Only what is remaining here? 8. Okay, but T is variable. T is only variable. The temperature only we have to find out. Okay, then only temperature we should not cancel. Okay, so 8T by pi, which is equal to what? 3T. Understood? This is cancel, no? Okay, this is cancel, cancel. Understood? Okay, therefore here T is given. T is what? 27 degrees Celsius. So, convert into Kelvin outright. 27 plus 273, we have what? 300. So, in this place, I put 300. So, what here? 3 into, 300. Okay. Left hand side what? 8T by M pi. Understood? Therefore, our aim is to find only what? The T is what? T is, therefore, T is, okay. This is 900 by, okay. Are you following? 900 by, 900 pi by 8. Okay. So, pi means, 3.14. Then if you put means, we can get one answer. Okay. The answer will be, okay. Actually, answer will be getting in, but yeah, answer will be getting in Kelvin because we put what? 300. No. Okay, 300. We converted 27 degrees Celsius into, Kelvin. So, answer will be getting in Kelvin. Okay. But see the option all in, Celsius. Okay. So, if you'll be getting answers in Kelvin, then again the Kelvin converted into Celsius. So, if you do like this, the answer will be what? This answer. You following? Understood? Okay. So, just remember average velocity formula and root mean square velocity formula. You can able to solve this. Understood? Okay. Are you following? We'll be getting answer in Kelvin. Again, we have to convert it into Celsius. Then only this answer further. Understood? Okay. Now see the next one. Again, root mean square velocity of molecules of gases of density 4 kilogram per meter cube and pressure is 1.2 into 10 power 5 Newton per meter square is. Okay. Here, base root mean square, we have one formula will be there. I told you, root of 3RT by M. But here, the pressure term is given, density term is given means here, root mean square, we have another formula for, based upon pressure and density, we have another formula for root mean square velocity. Nothing but, I simply write RMS is equal to root of 3P by D. Just remember, this is a formula. 3 into pressure by density. Understood? It's a formula. Okay. Then which is equal to, okay. Just substitute. Simple. Pressure is what? 1.2 into 10 power 5. Pressure is what? Okay. 3 into 1.2 into 10 power 5. Okay. By D. D is, D is for density, by 4. Simple formula. Okay, that's all. Then you know that if I take 110 to multiply this one means we get what? We get what? 3 into, 12. So, it is 10 power 4. Are you following? Okay, by 4. Understood? You simply cancel this one, one time. Okay, this is what? 3 times. Understood? Now 3 into 3. Or it is present in square root? No. 2 times. I'll write only one time. 10 power 4 in square root? No. When it comes out, it becomes what? 10 power 2. Okay. So that's the answer. What's the answer? You know that 300. Are you following? See, among these, D is the correct answer. Are you following? Okay, simply, if you remember the formula, you'll be able to solve the sums very easily. Understood? Okay, understood. So 300 meter per second is the answer for this sum. Understood? I hope you understood everything. You just go through the formula so you can easily solve the sums. Okay, thank you, students. See you in the next class.